Vybz Kartel dropped a surprise album over the weekend. The incarcerated dancehall artists, X-Rated, features 9 songs, comprising mainly songs for the girls, with only one collab from Kulu Kulu boss Savage on Motion. Interestingly, on the outro, Kartel talks about his first time being booed and how it ignited his writer's fever.
Yeah, but same time the MC forward up and grab the mic and you know Aggie, you know? And you don't know him talk, I will say, I say, John Star. Them youth make DJ thing look hard, you know. Reach na my yard, man. About 10 songs I write that night there. And I write this so, I get the writer's fever. If you know something, if you just write enough, write. You know, so big up that boy there. That about 191.
X-Rated is produced by Shortbus Music, Vybz Kartel Music, and follows his latest project, Dancehall Royalty, released in January. And Intense and Governor sit at number 1 trending on YouTube with their collab Public Enemy number 1. The visuals are a perfect fit for this first single and title track off his upcoming mixtape. In the track, Governor gives advice to Intense to keep pushing on in his usual conversational style.
But tell you, I gotta do it before you throw the gate.
True.
Glad say you won't let on lose a face. Now everything you do is start a new debate. Go and do it, yo. Every get a youth for great. Yeah, man. My sister them not like you.
I tell you.
But me tell you say them woulda fight you. Society not like where them can't control. So the boss is slave them, hate you like poison. But don't stop that.
Intense sends his respect to Governor and the 4th Jenna boss Idonia on the track. Intense, who noticeably cleared his IG page, teased the artwork for his upcoming tracks, including his collab with Jacure and statement featuring Iwater. The list has set the anticipation higher for his release of Public Enemy number 1, the mixtape, this Friday. And a bench warrant has been ordered for L.A. Lewis. This as the self-proclaimed 7-star general was absent when his matter was again mentioned in the St. Catherine Parish Court last week. L.A. Lewis, whose real name is Horace Lewis, and his co-accused, Ras Nature Forever and Ras Wadewade Selassie, were charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act last October for allegedly staging a protest against the government's mask-wearing protocols. On their first appearance in January, when asked if they had legal representation, Lewis said that they had not been arrested by the police but were actually kidnapped for defending a female. The 3 were ordered by then parish judge to do a psychiatric evaluation. L.A. Lewis's 2 accused, however, were present in court and had their bails extended until April 13 by the St. Catherine Parish Court. Lewis, in earlier reports, claims he is protected by the Maroon Law as the prominent chief high priest of the Nyangupong Maroons. However, the colonel of the Accompong Maroons has rejected his claim. Siv, I'm Daedran reporting for E! Prime.